Do you guys want to talk about SGE at all?
Sure. Yeah, I think it's an important update. So for those that don't know, it is Google's kind of like AI search that you might see rolling out, especially if you have beta. I think that it's scary to some SEOs. I think that like all tech, we're going to see changes just kind of evolve over time. But I think that the main thing I really tune into is that Google has a obligation in quotes to serve up great content. Like that's pretty much what they are based on. And so if you can create content, like, they have to pull those AI results from somewhere. And it's not like, like I said, there's a lot of debate around AI and it's being generative and all that sort of stuff. But I think that at the end of the day, it's an experiment. We don't know much about it, but I think that overall SEO, it's not dead. And as you start to create content that has all those secondary keywords, the name of the game is really how many access points can you kind of, allow people to find your content. So I know it's kind of a roundabout answer, but I'm not too concerned with it. I think that it'll be interesting to see how things take shape. And overall, I hope that it's, allows people's experiences to be improved, and hopefully we can learn some things from it.
Yeah, agreed. Like Steven said, and like I said earlier on in this, when Google releases an update, I keep an eye on it. I see what's going on, but I always keep a focus on the end customer. What are they coming to Google for? What are they searching? AI can't answer every question they have or in as much depth as they want, or provide the best experience right there on Google. So I always just keep that in mind and keep crunching away at the highest quality content.